Hi, I'm Tim Miller and I'm a senior underwriting consultant for Munich Re. I'm going to spend the next few minutes explaining what liquidity ratios are and how they are used to assist us when trying to determine the financial health of a company on the next financial case you review. Financial ratios are tools used to evaluate the performance of a business and its financial situation. There are many different types of ratios that measure different aspects of a business. Some categories of ratios include profitability, leverage, efficiency, and liquidity, among others. Today we're focusing on the liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratios provide information about the ability of a business to meet its short-term obligations. Typically this refers to debts that are due within 1 year. In other words, how well are they able to pay their bills? These ratios are particularly important to banks and creditors and also can be useful to an underwriter when reviewing a proposed insurance company's ability to meet premium obligations. The current ratio is the broadest measure of liquidity. It is simply current assets divided by current liabilities. A ratio of 1 or higher means the business has the resources to meet its current obligations. In general, the higher the ratio, the better, but 1.5 to 3 is considered favorable. A higher ratio brings up the question of whether resources are being efficiently employed, meaning there may be excess current assets that could be used to further the business. If the current ratio is less than 1, the business cannot meet short-term commitments with current assets and could indicate problems for the company as a going concern. Long-term assets may need to be sold or additional debt created to meet current liabilities. For an underwriter, this may be the cause for a lapse concern or perhaps an anti-selection against the insurer. The quick ratio is a more stringent measure of liquidity. Inventory is removed from current assets before dividing by current liabilities. This is a more conservative calculation because inventory may not be liquid or easily converted to cash for satisfying current obligations. This provides an additional level of assurance. The cash ratio is the most conservative measure of liquidity. It removes inventory from the equation as well as accounts receivable. As previously noted, inventory may not be liquid and easily convertible to cash. Accounts receivable may also not be reliable and could falsely increase the current ratio if their collection is in doubt. The cash ratio looks only at cash and cash equivalents, which are easily and quickly convertible to cash to meet current obligations. Thank you for your time. We hope this brief review of liquidity ratios will help you in your underwriting of business cases.